We're here with a young reggae boy fan. First of all, how you feel about today's game?
Um, there's only one thing that bothered me, and it was the score that USA made. I feel like the goalkeeper should have been there, or just something more. That goal, it had no power behind it, no nothing. It didn't even make a dent in the net. It just rolled.
So you say it was too easy of a goal for us to concede?
Yes, and every time Jamaica gets a chance, it's either extra passes or it just don't go in or it get blocked. And the goalkeeper for USA is not bad.
Let's say him have a good game. So which Jamaican player do you think had the best game today?
If I'm being honest, I would have said number 3 until the last part of the game when he started kicking the ball to the goalkeeper, then back to number 4, then back to number 3. And they could have done some things in that time, but I don't know why they kept the ball in there. And anytime they got up there, USA's players, I realized that they're fast. But something I realized about our players is it looked like they were afraid to score, because every time either they just pass it to the person beside them, or a person just pass it back when they have the chance.
Alright, so we'll go to America to play in a couple of days. Do you think we can manage to pull it off and beat America in America?
What country are we playing?
We're playing America. We're playing the same team.
After seeing this match, if the same players are playing, the goalkeeper is going to be playing the same.
Yes, everybody, the same players are going to play.
Okay. So the goalkeeper, I just think we needed a bit more defense because there was really like nothing there. The field was empty to our part. Most of the players were down here somehow. And anytime we did get the ball, all of the players, either they're down there and there's nobody to pass the ball to. Like for instance, when they were up there, and one of the players made a good pass down there, we could have got a goal, but nobody was down there. Everybody was up there.
So you think you think we can go out and win the match if we play a little bit better?
Yeah, depending on USA's players. The one thing they have is a good goalkeeper. I'm not saying our goalkeeper is not good, but like I don't know what happened to the first goal.
Alright, a young reggae boy fan.